Hello everyone, I welcome to my channel. Today I am going to Unit 3 based on forensic science, forensic biology and serology based question. Blood. Co- Type A blood. Blood is connective tissue. Total volume of blood constitutes of our body weight is 8%. A specific gravity of blood is 1016 kg MQ. Plasma consists of water, protein, blood cells. Another name of plasma in liquor sanguineous. All plasma protein are synthesized in liver. Red blood cells are produced in bone marrow. Lifespan of RBC in human is approximately 3 months. In 1 mm cube of blood are the total number of RBC is 5 million. The most adult hemoglobin consists of 4 polypeptide chains. The adult hemoglobin is designed as A2A2. Another name of the heme molecule is protoporphyrin. Protoporphyrin. White blood cell content granulocyte, lymphocyte, monocyte, all of the above. The main source of nuclear DNA, question 15. The main source of nuclear DNA from the blood is leukocyte. Question 16. Blood catalogs due to fibrogenesis. Question 17. Which of the following Ig crosses placental barrier? IgG. G capital. Question 18. Secretors secretes their blood types antigen in body fluids. ABH secretion is controlled by SCSC. HbA2 is minor normal adult Hb. HbA is also as alpha 2 B2 B2. The another name of prophenolphthalein assay is Kastle-Meyer test. In acidic condition, orthotolidine reacts with blood and gives dark bright blue color. Benzidine test is also known as Adler test. LMG is a triphenyl methylene triphenyl methaene dye. In the presence of body crystal involves turns to pink purple. Luminol is used to confirmatory test. Luminol works better on old dried stain. Luminol is also known as 3-amino phthalidrazide. Blue star react with blood and give fluorescence of yellow-green color. In the positive reaction with blood, fluorescence gives yellowish-green fluorescence light. Microcrystal test is confirmatory assay. Which test is confirmatory test for blood? Tickman, Takayama, Teachman. Takayama crystal test was present in 1920, 1912. Takayama test is also known as hemoglobin hemochromatogene chromagene crystal test. Takayama test color of blood crystal is bright red. The shape of crystal shape in Takayama test needle shape. A chemical form of the end product of Takayama test is pyridine ferroprotoporphyrin. Teachman crystal test was invented in the year 1853. Teachman test is also known as hematine crystal test. Shape of the crystal formed in Teachman test rhombus shape. In Teachman test, the color of blood crystal is brown. The 43 chemical name of the end product of Teachman test is ferriprotoporphyrin chloride. As blood drop falls, velocity increase until terminal velocity reached at 25 feet less second for 20 to 25 feet. Blood falling through the air taken the shape of a sphere. As blood strikes a surface, small drop may break off and land near the parent stain is satellite stain. Mathematical relationship between width and length of a epithelial blood stain is I is equal to sin minus 1 W1. High velocity spatter stain size is 1 nanometer. High velocity spatter force energy is about 100 feet second or above. Medium velocity spatter force of and energy are 5 to 20 feet second. Medium velocity spatter stain size is 1 to 2 nm micrometer. The concept ABO blood group are inherited characteristics was first observed by von Dongern and Herrizfeld 1911. ABO blood group was discovered by Karl Landsteiner 1900. A blood group have AG and BAB. Type B blood group have BAG and AAB. The AB blood group have OAG neither AB. Type O blood group have AAG and BAB. ABO genotypes are A, AA, AH, HH, BH, BB, AB. When an object moves from the pre-existing blood stains on another surface, the blood stain patterns are wiped. Dry pattern of blood is formed when liquid drop on the hard surface. When blood forcefully expected from nose, mouth to clear away, then this condition is known as expire blood or expirated blood. Blood under pressure from any breach in the artery is termed as arterial gushing and sprouts. When blood flung or projected from an object in motion or suddenly stop the from of blood of a stain pattern is known cast of stain. The color of fresh blood stain is bright red. color of 24 hours old blood stain will be reddish brown. The color of blood stain after 24 hours will dark brown. The color of blood stain after passage for a week will be black. Fibrin degradation product is useful in identification of menstrual blood. Menstrual blood. In MNS blood group typing system, total number of AG is 43. In RH system, number of AG is 49. Dry blood stain can be collected by all of the above. ABA card hemetrace is useful for blood and species identification. Blood sample from a controlled substance in a overdose case should be submitted to forensic toxicology section of a laboratory. Blood group typing can be used to exclude a suspect. Absorption illusion served the purpose of blood grouping from dried blood stain. Gel diffusion technique is used to origin identification. Which of the following is not commonly encountered pathogen? Diabetes mellitus. Dried blood stain should be packed in paper bag. A wet bloody shirt would be air dry prior to package. A stain can presumptively be identified as a blood by the Kastle-Meyer test. Which of the following is true? Hem is a component of hemoglobin. Hemoglobin is located in red blood cell. Hemoglobin is responsible for carrying the oxygen. All of the above. Which of the following may be used in dark? Luminol test. Which of the following applies to the identification of blood? The Takayama assay acts as on hemoglobin. Which of the following is true? A positive Kastle-Meyer test produces pink color. Presumptive blood tests are usually sensitive. Who discovered DNA profiling? Sir Alec Jeffreys. AFLP stands for Amplified Fragment Length Polymorphism. SLP stands for Short Locus Profiling. Multi-locus DNA profiling is developed by Leon Lattice. Which of the following forensic DNA technique was the first developed? VNTR. VNTR stands for variable number of tandem repeats. The polymorphic markers on Y chromosome can be useful for paternity test. The polymorphic markers on mitochondrial DNA can be useful for identifying a victim by comparing samples of material relative DNA. Amount of DNA is liquid blood is 40,000 ngml. Immunoglobulin are produced by plasma cell. If you are father of a child but you do not believe it's your, you can apply under Child Support Act 1991. Calculated value of paternity is known as paternity index. Numerator in paternity index assumes that the individual is true, trio, duo. Denominator is paternity index assumes that the individual is false trio. Which of the following is used for excluding a man from paternity? Age. Semen. The process of generating spermatozoa is called spermatogenesis. Sperms are stored until ejaculation in the epididymis. The normal male release the seminal fluid during the ejaculation is 2 to 5 ml. Normal sperm count in the per millimeter of semen is 10 k power 7 q in 2 10 k power 8. The condition of abnormal low sperm count is oligospermia. Absence of sperm in seminal fluid is known as aspermia. Seminal fluid is complex mixture of seminal vessels fluid, prostatic fluid, epididymis and bulboreteral, all of the above. The following is not found in semen: glucose. All the following is found: seminal vesicle fluid, prostatic fluid, choline. Seminal vessel fluid contain falbin and protein. Prostatic fluids contains flavin, sorry, acid phosphate, prostate specific antigen. AP stand for acid phosphate. AP is present in lysosomes. The half-life of acid phosphate in semen at 37 degrees Celsius is 6 months. PSA stands for prostate specific antigen. PSA is a protein. The normal concentration of PSA in seminal fluid 0.5 to 2.0 mg per ml. Molecular weight of a PSA is 30 kDa. PSA is molecular of tissue kallikrein. The half-life of PSA in dried semen stands at room temperature is about 3 years. Prostate-specific antigen can present when evidence is collected by using a sexual assault evidence kit. SVSA is seminal vesicle specific antigen. The following is responsible for the gel formulation of the semen: seminogyl SG. The major SVSA present in human semen are SGL and BSGI, SG1, SG2. If the seminal stains are the porous abnormal substrate, then they can be collected by cutting. If the seminal stains are on non-porous substrate, then they can be collected by swabbing. Semen is option A and option B, colorless, yellow in color. Dry semen stains appear in grayish. An alternative light source is useful when searching for semen stains, saliva stain. The fluorescence of semen stains under UV light is bluish white. Which of the following causes semen in fluorescence under UV light? Flavin. Presumptive test for semen is acid phosphate test. Which of the following substrate coupled with Britamine Fast Blue B for forensic application? A. Alpha naphthyl phosphate. Alpha naphthyl phosphate. Fluorescence test is used for seminal stain. Fluorescence test serve the purpose of identification of choline. Barbio test is presumptive test for semen. Barbio test serves the purpose of identification of spermine. Zinc test is applied for semen. For how long do sperm become motile? 2 to 4 hours. Intact sperm can be observed for 24 hours. Less than or greater than 24 hours. For how long a sperm head can be observed in vagina? 2 to 3 days. For how long a sperm head observed in cervix? 4 to 6 days. For how long seminal acid phosphate persists in vagina? 24 to 48 hours. How long will P30 persist in vagina? 24 hours. LDH stand for lactic dehydrogenase. Which of the following is used to test the presence of semen acid phosphate? Which of the following is true? Semen can be identified the presence of spermatozoa. Semen contains seminal vesicle specific antigen. Semen contains prostatic specific antigen. Spermatozoa can be present in case of oligospermia. The most common staining technique for histological staining of spermatozoa is Christmas tree stain. When spermatozoa are treated with melicide green and eosine, their appearance under microscope will be head will be appear purple, neck will appear pink, tail will appear green, all of the above. Which of the Elijah is seen in the semen detection? Sandwich Elijah. Saliva is slightly alkaline. The function of saliva is to neutralize stomach acid. B. To neutralize gastric juice. The consumption of saliva is 98% water, 2% other component, electrolyte, mucus, antibacterial compound, enzyme. Major salivary glands are parotid, submandibular, sublingual. The range of daily saliva production is 0.75 to 1.5 liter. Number of cells per ml of saliva is several million. The major way to collect saliva stain is swabs cutting. The best method to collect saliva standard is oral swab. The initial visual examination of saliva stains show stiff area, whitish stains. Saliva show fluorescence characteristic under UV light at 450 nanometer. The detector of saliva based on inorganic ions, alkaline phosphate, thiocyanate, amylase, HSA, nitrites, antigen enzyme, all of the above. The most common method of detecting saliva stain is the detection of enzyme amylase. The primary method used to detect saliva is amylase and HAS. Which of the following secret amylase salivary glands? A. Amylase is not produced in alpha humans. Alpha amylase is produced in humans. 2 to 4 hours. Less than or greater than 24 hours. For how long a sperm head can be observed in vagina? 2 to 3 days. For how long a sperm head can be observed in cervix? 4 to 6 days. For how long a sperm head can be observed in cervix? 4 to 6 days. For how long a sperm head can be observed in vagina? 2 to 3 days. For how long a sperm head can be observed in cervix? 4 to 6 days. For how long a sperm head can be observed in vagina? 2 to 3 days. For how long a sperm head can be observed in cervix? 4 to 6 days. For how long a sperm head can be observed in vagina? 2 to 3 days. For how long a sperm head can be observed in cervix? 4 to 6 days. For how long a sperm head can be observed in vagina? 2 to 3 days. For how long a sperm head can be observed in cervix? 4 to 6 days. For how long a sperm head can be observed in vagina? 2 to Alpha amylase is found in humus in most of every body fluids, 50 times higher in saliva. AMY1 and AMY2 are genetic loci that code for two different amylase. AMYI code is for salivary amylase HSA. AME2 code for pancreatic amylase HPA. Thiocyanate is detected in saliva by adding ferric chloride. Nitrites in saliva are detected by grease test. The best ALS method for detecting saliva is long wave UV H365 415 nanometer. The presumptive test for detecting saliva is a starch gel Faddy-Base test. The confirmatory test for detecting saliva is RSID. The confirmatory test of detecting saliva is RNA based. The advantage of the starch iodine radial diffusion test is cheap and easy. Multiple samples can run on the same gel. Identify amylase. The disadvantage of the starch iodine radial diffusion test is not specific to saliva. Fediba's forensic press test is useful in detecting and identifying hidden saliva stain. The result of the Fediba's press test are interpreted as blue dye indicates the presence of amylase. The Fediba's forensic tube test for saliva work by comparing the optical density measured with the spectrophotometer to a standard curve. Which of the following reacts with Fediba's reagent? Human salivary amylase. The Fediba's test for saliva come from of tablets. ELISA test for saliva is a specific test. Which of the following is considered confirmatory for identifying saliva? RNA based assay. HSA stand for human salivary amylase. The amino acid sequences of HSA and HPA are highly homologous. Starch contain two types of glucose polymers, amylase and B amylopectin. Which of the following is inactivated by acids in stomach? HSA. Amylase activity is found in saliva, milk, perspiration. All of the above. Urine. The starlight liquid by product secreted by kidney through a process called urination and excreted through the urethra is called urine. Urine is produced in kidney. Urine is stored in urinary bladder. Urine is extracted out of the body via urethra. The average daily adult urine output is 1500 ml, 1 1.5 liter. The process of ejection of urine from urinary bladder through the urethra to the outside of the body is called micturition, urination, emission. The amount of water of urine is 95%, H 95%. The concentration of solid material in urine is H55 to 70 gram. The solid found in urine is crystalline substance epithelial cells for urinary tract lining. Urine is yellow due to presence of urochrome pigment. Turbid or cloudy urine may be a symptom of crystallization of salts such as calcium phosphate or bacterial infection. The characteristic odor of urine is due to ammonia. pH of urinary value is 4.6 to 8. Normal urine density of a specific gravity value between 1.003 to 1.0035 gram cm cube. Urine fluorescence at 450 nanometer under orange filter. Chemical test of urine detect urea creatinine. Urea is the second largest consist of urine. The production of breakdown of protein. The product of the breakdown of protein. Urea is found of urine, serum and semen, saliva and sweat. The average daily output of urea is 30 gram per day. Urea turns to pink/red in the presence of pink or red in the presence of acid p-diethyl amino cyanamaledehyde DMAC. In the presence of enzyme urease, urine is both A and B. Hydrolyzed to carbon dioxide, hydrolyzed to ammonia. The reaction in which the crystal from the urea combined with N-nitridrol and acetic acid is indirect, known as indirect method. The end product of direct method of urea detection when acetone extract of urine stain react with urea nitrate is urea nitrate crystals. Creatinine is found in urine, sweat and serum, saliva. The daily output of creatinine is H0 to 1.8 gram per day. Creatinine is a breakdown product of creatine phosphate in muscles. Jeffy test detect creatinine in urine. The Jeffy test creatinine react with picric acid in alkaline medium to form bright orange creatinine picrate. Uritrace card is a creatinine test kit. 3-indoxysulfuric acid indican in urine can be detected by thin layer chromatography. In most abundant urinary protein is time glycoprotein THG. THG in the urine can be detected by electrophoresis immunoassay. The normal range of a specific gravity in urine is from 1.003 to 1.030. Hair. The study of hair is known as trichology. Hair is produced and follicle. Human hair grow at the rate of approximately 0 to 4 millimeter per day. The keratin present in hair is called hard keratin. Which of the following accounts for hair strand hydrogen bonds? Melanin in hair is produced by a group of specialized cells called as melanocytes. The shaft diameter in human hair is 50 to 150 micron. The growing phase of hair is called anagen. Lifetime of anagen phase is 2 years, 2 months, 6 years, 6 months. Which phase of regression phase at the end of hair growth cycle? Catagen phase. Lifespan of catagen phase is 2 weeks. Last phase of hair growth is telogen. How many hair are approximately shed each day? 100. Cross section of Niger hair shows flat appearance. Cross section of wide hair show oval appearance. Cross section of monogloboid hair show round appearance. European hair is also known as Caucasoid hair. Caucasoid hair, in which origin of hair the pigment granules are larger than Asian and European hair. Negroid hair. The center of core of the hair is called medulla. The scalery outer portion of hair is called cuticle. Which type of hair provide the most feature of comparison to the other hair? Scalp hair. The ratio of diameter of the medulla of the hair to the whole diameter of the hair is medullary index. Medullary index of human is less than 1 by 3. Medulla is wide and continuous in mongoloid hair. Which type of medulla is found in human hair? Or narrow medulla. A hair with thick cuticle regulates a scale and continuous medulla of animal. Hair sample from the crime scene is collected by lifting vacuuming. In which year DNA polymorphism introduced 1984. Mitochondrial DNA can be usually found in pooled hair. Which of the following can be isolated from hair? Nuclear DNA. In case of arsenic poisoning, arsenic may be found in hair root. Arsenic in hair can be detected microtomy. Fiber obtained by chemical treatment of wood pulp is called nylon. Nylon is obtained by mixing cool air and water. Which one is stronger than steel wire? Nylon fiber. Polyester is the repeating unit of ester. Which one is synthetic fiber used for making woolen cloth? Acrylic. Synthetic fiber are made by using petrochemicals as raw. The first synthetic fiber manufactured was nylon. Which of the following fiber is generally preferred for making gauze and lint? Rayon. Rayon is chemically cellulose. Which of the synthetic fiber is known as artificial silk? Rayon. Which of the following is commonly called a polyamide? Nylon. Flotation. Flotation test is employed for fiber. Flotation test. Thank you for giving attention. Please like, share and subscribe.